In this tutorial, we are going to do the following. Create a container and add controls to it. Assign tags to the controls. Add the custom symbol to the symbols library. Hi, we are going to create a custom symbol, otherwise known as a faceplate. We will create a screen first. Leave the screen settings as default. We are going to add a rounded rectangle. This is so we have a container to hold our controls in place. Let's add some controls. Let's add in a button and resize it. Now let's add in a lamp as well. I am adjusting the height, using the height and width settings. Now we are happy with the size of the controls, let's make a copy and paste it back to screen. Let's add 2 more controls onto screen. I'm going to add a vertical slider and a edit box display. Spend some time at this point, adjusting your sizes and positions of the controls. This is a symbol we are going to use again in the future. So, let's go ahead and create 5 tags to use with our controls. Now let's associate the tags with our controls on the screen. Our next step is to group all of our controls, including our rectangle container together. Select all of the controls. Then we can right-click, go to Symbol and then Group. Now let's navigate over to the symbols libraries. We need to create an area where we can store our custom symbols. So we need to select New Template. Giving it a usable name, I'm going to call mine, My Panels. And go ahead and press OK. It's very important to create a new template location first, or you will not be able to save your custom symbols later. Now we can add our custom symbol to the library. Go ahead and select the group. Right-click, go down to Symbols and press Add to Library. As you can see, a file called My Panels is in the Explorer window. If you didn't create the template first, you would not be able to save. Select the file and click OK. Your symbol has now been added to the library. Now we can drag and drop our created panel back into our project. Once we have dragged it in, it is now requesting tags to associate with it. If we choose not to associate the panel with existing tags, it will go ahead and create 5 new tags for us. As you can see in the project window, 5 new tags. So to recap, we have created a container and added controls to it. Assigned the tags to the controls. Added the custom symbol to the symbols library. And there we are. You can now create custom symbols